everyone, I'm MadameMacabre, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Krampus-inspired demoness look. So, for a look like this, I want it to be a little less human, so let's go take care of our eyeballs real quick, shall we? Now that's what I like to see. I think that'll do quite nicely. So to start off the look, we're going to be doing a little contouring. Any cream contouring palette will do, but you're going to want to start off with a color that's a good bit deeper than your own complexion. We want it to be dark because this will serve both as the cheek contour as well as your demon fur. We're going to build a really dramatic cheek contour and pull it around the jawline, but skipping the chin for now, we'll get to that later. Looking like a deranged mess already. Love it! Okay, so same drill with the nose. We're gonna start contouring around it with that same ridiculously dark shade, and we're going to blend it all the way down the sides of the nose. Mamma mia! Who needs a rhinoplasty, am I right? Okay, next we're going to be adding more fur to our forehead. We're going to start by adding an absurd widow's peak and building and blending the color out from there. And now we're going to work it all the way down until it meets the cheek contour, then we'll blend them together with our brush. Do this on both sides and feel free to get as creative with your fur patterns as you like. I'm going to add a few more points using the same technique on the sides of my forehead now. Okay, we've plotted the shapes out, now let's add some depth. Now with a smaller brush, use an even darker color to outline the fur points you just created on your forehead. Also outline your nose as well. Wow, that looks terrible, but it always looks worse before it gets better, so let's blend our troubles away. Okay, starting to look a little better. Let's keep this crazy train going. The next step is to bring in a highlight. You're gonna want a color eye-blindingly bright for your complexion, and you're gonna start filling in your nose bridge as well as carrying the color up to meet the fur points. Okay, forehead's getting there. Now let's do something about them cheekbones and under eye. Once again, we're going to be using sharp and pointy shapes. Using the bright color, create a rough triangular shape that goes from under the eye and on your cheekbones down to right next to the nose. Remember the chin? Now's its time to shine. Using the same bright color, create a furry point. Now's the time to start adding some fur to the rest of the face using quick, angled strokes. Now we're talking. But this is a bit too harsh for my liking, so we're going to use a sponge to soften it. You may need to add more fur strokes after blending. Remember to gradually blend those in too. And don't forget the bridge of your nose as well. Okay, let's add some fur strokes to the forehead now. For yet even more depth, we're going to blend in some of that lighter color in here. And just keep on blending away. Perfect, our fur is done. Now let's add a beastly nose using a nice rich black color and a fine brush. There, looks good and servine to me. Let's do something with our eyes now. I'm thinking a nice deep red. Go ahead and just follow the bottom of your eye like an emo kid's first time learning to apply eye makeup. Then pull it out into a sharp, dramatic wing. We'll also pull it down towards the nose from the inner eye, and finally fill the lid. Okay, I can dig it. Still missing something though. Let's dip into that black again and apply it around the eye in a similar manner. Then we'll grab a little more red and blend it into the lids. Rinse, repeat, you know the drill. Okay, looking good, but we gotta do something about these brows. Not quite wicked enough. Grab an even darker brown and draw the corners of your brows in an exaggerated scowl. Then fill and shape. To get the monster brows on fleek, let's add some light color above. Blending as always. Looking frightful, but something's missing. Can't neglect the lips. I know just the fix. Using the black color, pull a thin line from your septum to your top lip. Feel free to line the shape of your top lip while you're at it. Now for this look, we're going to use black lipstick only on the top lip. For the bottom, we're going to use a nice rich red. Finally, it's all coming together. But alas, we need something else. What demon is complete without a little blood gel? Using a Q-tip, get creative with the blood spots on your face. You can go gruesome and nasty or hauntingly beautiful. When in doubt, add more blood. And there we have it. This demoness is ready to go on the prowl. Actually, I think there's a few more things we can add to complete this picture. And there we have it. You're ready to crash the holidays as your very own Christmas demon. Sure, this look might upset Grandma, but boy is it festive. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more. And until next time, remember, stay creepy.